Yo guys, I recently just hit 20 subs. I got 20 cards. I want to show you guys how good I can throw cards. I mean, I don't think I'm bad, but I don't think I'm too good. I want you guys to know. Watch. I'm gonna sit down on my bed. Wait. I just want to show you the sound. Hold on. You guys hear that? Oh, that one didn't do it, but wait, watch. Cards. Oh, I can't do it. Hold on. You hear the sound, right? They're just playing cards. Watch. Watch my hands, guys. Look, I'm gonna pick up the camera. Look. I just threw my card. Look where it landed, y'all. Like, that's on my TV screen. Like I can... What? Y'all saw that, right? I hope you guys did. Here, I'm gonna set the camera back down. I'm gonna throw a couple more cards. I got tons and tons of cards. I'm gonna try hitting the camera. Sorry, my dog's in the background. Oh! Come on, couple more. No! Come on. But I'll do a room tour. Well, I just made a whole bunch of card mess right there on the floor and on my TV. Got my TV right there. Got my setup right there. Yeah. Pretty much this broke a little bit. And like, yeah. So my brother's bed is on the floor now. But yeah. That's cool, guys. I just want to thank you all for subscribing. 20 subs. Thank you. Really. Thank you.